Effimax clarifying oil is formulated to clear dark spots on the skin, to eliminate blemishes on the skin, and it is formulated for both female and males as well. It's an oil that is being used by most Africans, especially people who want to lighten their skin. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys the ingredients that I use to formulate Effimax clarifying oil. I'm going to share with you guys the roles it plays on the skin. I'm going to share with you guys who should use Effimax clarifying oil. I'll show you guys how you should use Effimax oil effectively to achieve the exact results that you want. I'm going to share with you guys the side effect of using Effimax clarifying oil. Beautiful people, watch this video till the end. So Effimax clarifying oil is produced to clear dark spots on the skin, to clear blemishes on the skin. It's produced to make the skin very smooth, to make the skin very soft, and to also lighten and brighten the skin as well. Let's look at the ingredient that I use to formulate Effimax clarifying oil. But then this is how the clarifying oil looks like. It's a very good oil that lighten the skin. So let's open it to see how it is in the bottle. This is how it is. First of all, the ingredients that I use to formulate this oil are ginseng, carrot, vitamin C, papaya, kojic acid, citric acid, and it contains hydroquine. Yes, it contains hydroquine, and it is made with fragrance as well. This is how the oil looks like on my skin. It smells like ginseng, and because of the hydroquine inside, the fragrance or the scent look weird. It smells some way. I don't really like the scent, to be honest with you. I don't like the scent of this oil, but then it's a very good brightening oil. So if you are using the oil alone, you should make sure that you mix it with a fragrance. To me, I don't like the scent, but to someone, maybe it might be cool with the person. So it's made with papaya, it's made with carrot, it's made with ginseng, it's made with citric acid, it's made with kojic acid, it's made with vitamin C, it's made with fragrance and other natural ingredients. This oil plays a very good role on the skin. It's lighting the skin very well, it's brightening the skin, it clears dark spots on the skin, eliminates blemishes on the skin, and sometimes it fade marks on the skin. But then you have to understand that this serum contains hydroquine. So when you are using it, you should be critical careful when using this serum. You don't have to apply it direct on the skin because of the hydroquine inside. And it's not recommended for sensitive skin people. It's not recommended for oily skin people, but a normal skin person can use it. A combination skin person can use it, and a dry skin person can use it. Most of these oils are not recommended for everybody. It's not recommended for a dark skin person. If you are a dark skin person and you use this Effimax clarifying oil alone, you end up having dark knuckles on the skin. Even though it's going to lighten the skin very well, but you may end up facing certain challenges on the skin. Okay, it's very good for brightening the skin, it glows the skin, it nourishes the skin, it makes the skin very soft and smooth. Okay, and these are the side effects of using this Effimax clarifying oil. It gives dark knuckles. Okay, it gives dark knuckles, especially if you are a dark skin person or a caramel skin person and you use it consistently, like 3-4 times and above, you end up facing severe dark knuckles on the skin. And moreover, it gives stretch marks on the skin if you use it directly on the skin. It also gives white dots and it irritates the skin. It ends up leaving sunburn on the skin for you. So if you want to use it, you have to make sure that you use it very well. But then I would direct you, or I want to direct you how you should use it for you not to experience the side effects I've mentioned above. Okay, so this oil can't be mixed with a lotion or a cream. It should be used morning and evening if you mix it with your lotion or your cream. But then you shouldn't mix this oil alone with your lotion or with your cream. Make sure you get a very nice mild oil to reduce the hydroquin inside, so that you don't end up having white dots on the skin. Okay, mix it with either a bio oil, a baby oil, or a very nice mild oil that does not contain hydroquin. Okay, you should mix it with your cream or your lotion and massage it on the skin very well. And when you are using it, don't expose the body under the sun. Protect the skin from the sun. Okay, you should use it at night, but please do not expose your skin under the sun when using Effimax clarifying oil to whiten the skin. Do not expose the body under the sun. You will end up having dark knuckles on the skin, and it's not recommended for a dark skin person. If you are a dark skin person and you want to use this oil, please mix it with your mild oil and use it on the skin, or mix it with your cream. Okay, then with that one you can be able to achieve a light caramel shade. Okay, but don't use it direct on the skin if you are a dark skin person. Effimax clarifying oil is good to brighten the skin, it's good for lightening the skin, it clears dark spots on the skin, and also it's brightening the skin. But please do not use the oil on your face. Even if you mix it with a cream, you mix it with a lotion, you mix it with an oil, do not use the oil on the face. The face is always sensitive than the body, so know what exactly to use on the face. Avoid using body oils on the face. Make sure you get a facial serum, a facial oil, a facial cream, or a facial moisturizer to use on the face. But avoid using strong oils like Effimax clarifying oil on your face. Okay, so if you have ever used Effimax clarifying oil before, you can share your testimony with us or with me, or you can leave a comment under the video. If you have a question to ask, or you are facing any problem and you want a solution to it, you can leave a comment, or you can use the link in my bio to get in touch with us on WhatsApp, or you can easily WhatsApp us on 027 159 4053. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, I'll plead with you to kindly subscribe to this channel, so that anytime I share a video here, you would be able to receive a notification from me. Thank you guys for watching, and I really appreciate you all. Have a nice day and stay blessed.